A Suncoast business that serves seniors is dedicating September to fighting hunger for older adults. Now, SNN Local News reporter Grant Boxleitner shows you they're asking for your help.
1 out of 9 seniors are at risk for hunger, millions across the country.
Throughout September, Comfort Keepers is collecting food from more than 20 locations from Bradenton to Venice, part of its senior food drive and education initiative. Michael Jones is the Comfort Keepers president in Sarasota and Manatee counties.
Seniors have a little bit of a different need than most of us. Their immune systems get compromised when they're not eating properly.
Comfort Keepers provides in-home assistance for seniors, and a big part of the service is preparing meals. Administrator Charlotte Jones says getting proper nutrition for seniors can sometimes be a challenge.
People are on medication, sometimes they lose the urge to eat. That's a horrible side effect of a lot of medications. The other thing is when people are lacking good nutrition, they're also going to end up becoming dehydrated, which is such a huge problem with the elderly population.
The food collected will be distributed by All Faiths Food Bank to seniors in need. Organizers are hoping to double the amount collected a year ago.
Brown rice versus white rice, because there's more nutritional content in that. Maybe chickpeas, things with beans, legumes, lentils.
I think if everybody just gives a little bit, we can really make a dent on this problem.
Reporting in Sarasota County, Grant Boxleitner, SNN Local News.